This is my standard unboxing, but I should guess one video is better than hundreds of words. And this package again from Banggood again. So I hope I'm not going to need to upload this video anywhere. I'll leave it as I say just in case. Well, this time it's beaten up even more than before. It's just really beaten up. Last time it didn't. How found the contents of the box. Sticks again, copter. Oh. Вообще-то видео снимаю. So the transfer. Okay, transfer is fine. Now let's check the cord. Well, there is some problem with the cord, as I can see there is a bolt outside. Let's inspect. What is that bolt doing here? There's extra bolt, I don't know, maybe it was there before. I didn't feel this propeller is working, so we can check it out. Well, let's connect again. There's something wrong with the trims. Let's try. Well, one motor is not working. That's what I can say right now. Let's check out again what can be wrong with this. I saw the bolt attached to the motor. Motor seems to be connected well. It's not working. I will unplug and plug that back again to try. No, the motor is not working. One motor is out. This one left, back one. I don't know what's wrong with it.